That's a fun story. So I was in the military for a while, and I did like being outside, but I was inside quite a bit. And then I worked for a big corporation in a warehouse for a long time, about like 9 years. And I always would find myself like looking out the windows, wishing and like wanting to be outside. So I finally got to where I was like, I'm gonna dig a koi pond in my backyard. This was about 10 years ago now. And so I just had fun doing it. It was like the most fun I'd ever had. And every weekend I'd be out there digging the koi pond and working on it and having fun with it. And just got to a place where I was like, you know, you only live once. I want to do something that I want to do finally. And so we just launched our business and started doing water features and actually selling stuff to people, and could go build fun stuff for them. And it just started working out in the snowball effect. And you know, fast forward and here we are today. That's all we do. Yeah, that's a great question. So it's a lot of hard work. My favorite part though is sitting there with the customer the first day. Usually there's about a 30-minute period. It's like a get to know you session, and I don't know these people, I don't know what makes them tick, but getting that 30-minute little walk and talk with them, and then the ideas just start to flow, and it's like, let's start painting this thing out, and I get really excited at that point. And then when they say, yes, let's do the project, that's like, woohoo! And then the next best part, fast forward to the end, is when we let them plug it in and the water comes on, and you know, they get really excited and they're like, oh my God, this thing is so cool.